Now go to file, new project. So this is the way to create the project. So once again I am telling, go to the file menu, new project, new Java project. Click on new Java project. Click on new Java project. It will create new Java project. The project name you need to give here. You can give your project name. Who are having the laptop, please do like this. This is first app, first Java app, first Java app. I am giving the name of the application is first Java app, and here you can have whatever Java SC folder you installed, whatever you have 14 or 16. You can select and choose that particular environment. Please choose that one. Java SC 14 is using my Eclipse environment. Click on next. Click on next. And go to in the first Java app, the source folder is going to create. The source folder is going to create. So this one. So no need to. Okay, we will get the source folder directly. Click on finish button. The application for you. It is asking to create any module like first.java app. I don't want any module right now, so that's why you have to click on don't create. Okay, now see here in the left side, if you observe, there is a project explorer will be there. Project explorer will be there. Please click on this particular project explorer. Now I created a project. Now I created a project, first Java app. See here, this is the first Java app. Under this first Java app, I want to create a package. How can I create a package? Right click, new package. Okay. Once again, I am telling how to create a package in the our project. Right click. What happened? Right click. New package, Java package. Now I am giving in the src folder. The source folder is first Java app source. Under this, we are giving the name of our package, that is Wipro dot basic programs, basic pros. This is my package name. Click on finish. It will create a folder for you. Now right click on this particular folder. Right click on this particular folder, and you can create a new class. Yesterday we already created, no? Right click, and once again I am telling you, in this particular package, right click, right click on this particular package, new class file. See here, new class file. Please click on class file and name your class name. For example, hello program, hello, hello. Generally, if you first time this is going to put check mark is true, you have to you don't need any public static void main. If you want to public static void main, you can put tick mark here. If you don't want, don't put here. We will get automatically. Click on finish. Then it is going to create a public hello class in which package Wipro.basic pros. Now I want a main method. So please type main and control and hold control button, press and hold, press shift button, it will says main method, press enter, automatically public static void main will come. Now I want to display hello world. How can I display? SYSO. SYSO is a shortcut, system.out. This represents control, press shift, it will give system or standard output. What is standard output? Standard output refers to system.out.println. So press enter, we will get system.out.println. If you want to write anything, you can write simply hello. Okay, like this. Okay, hello Java programmer or Java programmer. I am going to write Java programmer. Okay, so this is the how we are going to write a first program without using notepad. We are using the Eclipse environment. Click on save button, right click, run as Java application. See here, right click on this particular space, you will get a pop-up menu like this, run as Java application. Click here, you will get an output here. In your system, the output will be there in the bottom because I navigated this window to right side, but your window will be in the bottom of the screen if your installation in your system. Please see, this is the first program. This is